Hey, is it true what they're saying?
Listen, he has been in worse scrapes than this, and we're gonna get him out of there, I promise you.
Detective Beckett, Dr. Parrish, we've got eyes on Esposito.
I didn't think the MTA had cameras in the subway cars.
They don't. This is on a separate feed, so it took me a while to find it.
Wait, if this is on a separate feed...
That means that we can see Stone, but he doesn't know that.
Which gives us a tactical edge. I'll make sure HRT knows about this.
At least Javi's not down there alone. There's another cop with him.
Yeah, between the two of them, they might be able to defuse the situation.
You pull your people back now or everybody dies.
Oh, my God.